Hey everyone, it's Michael from Artefacti. I'm thrilled to introduce our latest bundle, 150 plus Blossom 4K video animations. Imagine stepping into a dreamlike garden where petals drift on gentle breezes and sunlight filters through pastel blooms. We've crafted over 150 MP4 clips in crisp 4096 by 2304 resolution, each running 10 seconds of cinematic floral magic. From cherry blossoms raining down in serene springscapes to rose-lit candlelit moments, lavender fields swaying at dusk, and dew-kissed meadows bathed in soft bokeh, you'll find the perfect backdrop for any mood. These animations slip right into your timeline, no extra plugins or prep needed. Whether you're creating wedding intros, mindfulness videos, product trailers, or branded social media content, these elegant floral scenes add emotional warmth and visual poetry. Grab this collection for just €15 and let your projects blossom. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.